I'm a really big fan of working out from home. I do a ton of YouTube videos. I've got hand weights and kettlebells, but I wanted to add something else. And now I've got these resistance bands. And I wanted to show them to you so you can get an idea of what the quality's like, how they feel, and what to expect. Now, in the kit, first of all, you get these 3 expandable bands, and they're each £25, which is about, I think, about 11 kilos. And you can either use them on their own or link them together. And the way that you work them with is you get a handle as well, and they have a carabiner clip, so you can put it on like this. And you also get a foot strap. So the first level really to have it is to have your handle clipped on there to your resistance band with your carabiner, and then your foot harnesses. And you can change that up by adding on a second clip, just like that, to increase that resistance and maybe build up. And I can't wait to get stuck in. This is a really good way to add in some resistance work. It'd be really nice to use outside as well. Potentially got £75 worth of resistance there. You can really build up easily, and I'm really looking forward to using it to elevate my home workouts.